Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit the checkout page on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, you are a bit limited in what you can change on the actual checkout page. So for example, let me just go to the cart page right now. And this is the checkout page which I have for my site. Now, as you can see, I have nothing in my shopping cart and I only have a continue shopping button. And as you can see, unlike other pages in the top left, you don't have the edit tab. So the only way that you can edit this is by going into styles. Here you can select a new style. You can change the fonts, the colors, the buttons, and the forms, as well as any miscellaneous settings if you want, such as animations, spacing, and image blocks. But these are the only things that you can change on your checkout page. Now, if I go ahead and exit out of this, there are a couple of different settings you can edit. If I go into my site settings and go into selling, here you'll have your cart and checkout pages. If I go into checkout, here you can edit a couple of different things. You can abandon checkout recovery, minimum order amount. This is where you can set that up. You also have the next order number, which you can set up, the quantity of services, if you want that to show on your checkout page, as well as any receipt details, which you can edit, as well as email signups, default billing addresses, etc., etc. But if I go back, if you go to your cart page, here you can edit a couple of different things, for example, where the continue shopping link takes you, as well as the enable express checkout option, as well as light theme. And yeah, that is basically all you can edit and all you can change. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.